Hey, welcome to Auntie's Cakery. I have got such a fun little Ariel, little mermaid cake. Here I've got some fondant that I already colored in a marble. Little triangles, these are going to be the seaweeds that I'm going to be putting on the cake later. And some exciting news! This kitchen I'm working in is a rented kitchen. Since my divorce, I've not had my own kitchen, so I'm just renting one in one of the neighboring towns here in Utah. And because of it, I didn't have all my supplies. You can see I'm using a Ziploc bag with a piping tip right here. And instead of my angled spatula, I'm using a knife. Oh my goodness, this was a little bit stressful. But in the end, it all turns out really cute. You just wait. I'm doing a beautiful ombre look with a white buttercream on top. Well, it's not white because, buttercream is naturally a little bit yellow. And then I have a light teal and a medium teal, and then the bottom layer is going to be dark. After I've got it all covered, I'm going to scrape it off best I can. I tell you what, there was heat blowing down onto this cake. It was so hot. So this buttercream is not being my friend right now. I ended up closing the vents so it can stay cool. You've probably seen me use these plastic corner smoothers before. I do have a video on how to make them, and I sell them in my Etsy shop. And of course this classic wave design using my bench scraper, just the bottom corner. Making that beautiful wave all the way up and around the cake. I'm using my little plastic folder to smooth out the top and make a few more ruffles down at the bottom. Then covering the cake board so it looks nice and fancy too. I am missing my pottery wheel so much. That's what I usually use this for. Yummy sugar pearls. Sprinkle them on, throw some on. Boy, that is not working. This buttercream's not sticky enough after sitting in the fridge. So, one by one, here we go. Bead after bead. And now time for those cute little seaweeds. Stick them on. Some tall, some short. Stick them on there like a little happy seaweed family. I also have this cute little mold with seashells. Let's fill that up and pop some shells out. And there's some shells. I have a cute little starfish in here too. We'll just stick those around the bottom of the cake. Next is this darling sticker. It is a waterproof sticker. The little 9-year-old girl is going to have a fun time with that little sticker as soon as they take it off the cake. Do a shell border around the top. And voila! So cute! And when the grandpa came to pick it up, he was so happy. That's one of the best parts I love about making cake, is seeing the customer's reaction. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Bye!